Join us for a magical rainy day in Paris. From Montmartre's glistening cobblestone streets to the tranquil beauty of the Luxembourg Gardens, we uncovered hidden gems at every turn. Stroll through charming covered galleries, admire the iconic Palais Royal, and marvel at the glowing Louvre pyramid at night. We'll take you past the Moulin Rouge and wrap up the day with a cozy late-night meal in Montmartre. Let's explore Paris in the rain. Our second day in Paris unfolded like a scene from a classic French film. A rainy, freezing cold Monday that somehow made the city